Welcome to botany class. Today we are going to see the alteration of generation in algae, or that means the life cycle of algae. So the algae, they have all different types of life cycle. Okay. So what is the alteration of generation? Before we are enter the topic, first we want to know the alteration of generation. Either gametophytic, it will alter with the sporophyte, or the sporophytic, it will alter with the gametophyte. Okay, that is the alteration of generation. The gametophytic plant body, it produces sporophyte. The sporophytic plant body is again produces a gametophyte. It's a one kind of alteration of generation. Suppose the plant body is a sporophyte, means the sporophytic plant body is produce a gametophyte. Again the gametophyte, it produces a sporophyte. It's another way. For that, it will be further classified. The alteration of generation further classified into different types. Haplontic life cycle. So in the haplontic life cycle, the dominant phase is a gametophyte. The dominant phase is a gametophyte. Only here the sporophytic phase means the zygote only is represented as a sporophyte. So the haplontic life cycle is also there. Here what is happened means the zygotic meiosis is occurred. Zygotic meiosis, because the gametophytic phase is produced a gamete, male and a female gamete. The male and the female gamete, it's a haploid, so it will be fused to form diploid zygote. Okay, so the zygote here is represented as a sporophyte. The zygote is immediately undergo the meiotic division, as result form the meiospore. This meiospore, that is a haploid meiospore. This haploid meiospore germinate to form again the haplontic or the gametophytic thallus. Okay, so that is a haplontic life cycle. And then diplontic life cycle. The plant body is a sporophyte, diplon. It forms the spores. This spore is germinate. These spores are formed after meiosis. These spores are germinate to form the gametophytic plant body. The gametophytic plant body, it will be germinate, it will be formed a corresponding gamete, that is a male and a female gamete. This male and female gamete fuse to form zygote. Again the sporophytic space is restored. Okay, so that is a diplontic life cycle. Here the dominant phase is sporophyte or diploid. Haplodiplontic life cycle. Both are equal. The sporophytic phase and the gametophytic phase, both are equal. That is a haplodiplontic life cycle. And then finally, triphasic life cycle. But in our beginning of this chapter, we have discussed the haplontic, diplontic and haplodiplontic life cycle in the previous video. But this is a new one, triphasic life cycle. You just know that it is a additional information. Okay. So haplontic life cycle. Once again we can recall what is a haplontic life cycle. The plant body is a male and a female gametophyte. So they produce a corresponding gamete, male gamete and a female gamete. The phase of male and a female gamete is called syngamy or fertilization. Syngamy or fertilization, also from the diploid zygote. This diploid zygote is undergo the reduction division. So the diploid zygote is considered of sporophyte. It is undergo the reduction. Reduction means meiosis. Meiosis division also is formed the 4 haploid meiospore. 4 haploid meiospore is formed. Again from the haploid meiospore it will form the gametophytic plant body. So here the gametophytic plant body is a dominant. Sporophyte is very much reduced. So it will absorb the chlorophyce, some form of the chlorophyce, green algae. Chlorophyce means green algae. Cladomonas, Dilothrix, Udogonium, Spirogyra and Cala, etc. And odd number of Xanthophyceae. So in the odd number of Xanthophyceae also have the what? This type of life cycle, haplontic life cycle. Next, diplontic life cycle. So here the plant body is a sporophyte. Already I told you, no, it's a plant body. It's a diplon. Okay. So after the reduction division, it formed the haploid spore. This haploid spore is germinate to form the gametophyte. Germinate to form the gametophyte. This gametophyte is formed the corresponding sex organ, that is a male sex organ and a female sex organ. The male and female sex organ, they produce a corresponding gamete, that is a male gamete and a female gamete. The male and the female gamete are haploid, it fuse to form diploid zygote. Again, so this phase is a gametophyte, so remaining all phase is considered a sporophyte. Okay, so that is a diplontic life cycle. So example for diplontic life cycle, some members are chlorophyceae like Cladophora, Glumata, Fucus, Sargassum of Phaeophyceae. The Fucus sargassum belongs to Phaeophyceae. Brown algae. It's a chlorophyceae. Cladophora, it belongs to chlorophyceae. Green algae. Next, haplodiplontic. In the haplodiplontic, two form is present. Isomorphic, heteromorphic. So isomorphic, the name itself has, it's a similar. The sporophyte and gametophyte, the structure morphologically similar. Sporophytic and the gametophytic structure morphologically similar. Okay. Example, Cladophora alba of the chlorophyceae, Ectocarpus of Phaeophyceae. So here the gametophyte and sporophyte, both the similar shape. And heteromorphic, it is a differ. The sporophytic and gametophytic structure is entirely differ. Example, laminaria of Phaeophyceae. Laminaria of the Phaeophyceae. Okay, so the structure itself, it will be differ. Sporophytic structure and gametophytic structure. Next, Triassic life cycle. So, in previously we have discussed about the haplontic, diplontic, haplodiplontic. So here only the two phase, gametophytic phase, only one gametophytic phase, only one sporophytic phase. The plant body may be a haploid, is alternating with the diploid. If the plant body is a diploid, it's alternating with the haploid. But only the two phase is present, one haploid, one diploid. But in Triassic, three phases are present. One haploid, two diploid, or two diploid, one haploid. So three phases are present. In this type, there is a succession of the three distinct generations. There are two types, haplobiontic and diplobiontic. So once again repeat, it's a additional information. You just know that haplobiontic and diplobiontic. In haplobiontic, haploid carposporophyte is formed. Haploid gametophyte. So haploid. So these two haploid and it alternates with the diploid zygote, that is a sporophyte. Okay. So the haploid carposporophyte, haploid gametophyte and diploid zygote. So three stages. Two haploid, but the two are different. Carposporophyte, gametophyte. So here diplobiontic. Haploid gametophyte. Haploid gametophyte. Diploid carposporophyte and diploid tetrasporophyte. So here haploid carposporophyte. Here diploid carposporophyte. So here diploid zygote, but here the diploid tetrasporophyte is formed. Okay, so let's see. It's a haplobiontic. So that is a gametophyte. It produces a gamete. The gamete is undergo the mitosis. Okay, as itself it forms the carposporophyte. So meiosis, it forms the carposporophyte. This carposporophyte is produce a monospore. That is a carpospore. This carpospore again it will be restored to gametophyte. So this is a gametophyte. Carposporophyte is a gametophyte. The diploid zygote, it is a what? Sporophyte. Okay, so haplobiontic, the primitive members are Rhodophyceae, and the haploid carposporophyte, haploid gametophyte, and diploid zygote here. And the next, diplobiontic. Okay, so diplo means two diploid stages. Haploid gametophyte, diploid carposporophyte, and diploid tetrasporophyte. So here the plant body is a tetrasporophyte. Is undergo the meiosis as itself form the haploid spore, tetraspore. The tetraspore is formed the gametophyte. So gametophyte or haploid is undergo the what? The fission, that is a syngametic fertilization, also from the diploid zygote. This diploid zygote is not directly from the tetrasporophyte. Instead of that, it formed the carposporophyte. This carposporophyte is undergo the mitotic division, also from the tetrasporophyte. Okay, so that is a diplobiotic life cycle. So this is additional information. Once again, repeat, it's not necessary. You just know that what are the different alteration of generation it present in the organ. So first one is haplontic, diplontic, haplodiploidic. In haplodiploidic, it may be isomorphic or heteromorphic. Isomorphic means the sporophyte and gametophyte are identical in their structure. Heteromorphic means both the sporophytic and gametophytic, they are differ in the structure. And the tetronyc, tricyclic life cycle. So it is an additional one, it will exist in the algae. So that is the 3 generation, 2 haploid, 1 diploid, or 2 diploid, 1 haploid. Okay. Thank you, student. That's all about the general character of algae is over. In next video, we are going to see the classification of algae. Thank you, one and all.